Hey, my kids are having a special week at school where they have to wear a certain color shirt every day, and this is the only brown shirt that they have for Brown Day tomorrow, so I decided to just put a design on it. So I'm going to be doing this one that says Be Brave, Be Kind, Dream Big. This was created by Sarah Hurley, and you can pick it up on the Silhouette Design Store. I will add a link to that in this video's description. I'll also add a link just to her profile on the Silhouette Design Store because she has a lot of really good stuff. So I've already cut it out and weeded it and put it on this brown shirt. I'm of course using my X Tool mini press that they supplied me, and I'll add an affiliate link to that in the video description. But let's get this ironed on and see what it looks like. Now this is a brand of shirt I've never used before. This is Jumping Bean, which I got at Kohl's. Well, my wife picked up at Kohl's. So we will see how this turns out. I'm used to using the Gildan Heavy Cotton or Gildan Ultra Cotton, which I definitely know how long it can take my press. But we'll see on the Jumping Bean. Make sure I don't miss anything. This is the one issue with using the mini press is there's a very large area to cover. It's really good when I'm doing piecing stuff together though because of the precision you can get. But big designs, I think I would much rather have a full-size heat press. X Tool, if you're watching this, feel free to send me one. Almost done here, but I'm about half done. I will probably have this sped up at least a little bit. I talk slow anyway, so speeding up my voice is not a bad thing. Hopefully this takes nicely and it looks great like I'm expecting it to, and hopefully my kids are happy with it. And hopefully it doesn't mess up the shirt since it is their only brown shirt and tomorrow is Brown Day and I am not running out to the store tonight. I think I got all of it. I'm going to press down on the parchment paper just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Make sure there's nothing up here. Might have missed the top of that B. The stars are over there. Okay, right here, and then I'll be good. So just have to hold it for roughly 10 seconds. I don't normally do count, but roughly 10 seconds in each spot. But let's see how this goes. That should be good. Get this out of the way, and now time to see if it works. Did I even get this part? I did not get that corner. Here I go messing up. It's because I'm recording. I don't normally record the whole thing, but since I am this time, of course I'm going to mess up. Sorry for my voice, I've been a little under the weather. I had bronchitis last week and I'm still recovering. But let's try peeling and see what this looks like. I'm using my normal brand of vinyl, which I don't remember the brand off the top of my head. But I can add a link to that as well if anyone would be interested. It'll be an affiliate link, earn me commission, blah, blah, blah. Hold it just as long as I do on my Gildan shirts. Gildan, it comes off very nice, and this one, it is something. It's a struggle. It is a struggle. The reason we ended up with this though is because we had bought the brown shirts just for this week, and Gildan didn't have any brown shirts in stock at Michael's. I'm going to go over this a little bit just to make sure it's all stuck well. I just like to slight pressure, go slowly over the whole thing, just moving the whole time. That just helps me get a nice secure bond. Sorry if you hear a train, there is a train coming. Also, you can probably hear my 3D printer because I always have multiple projects going on at the same time. And what I'm printing right now will end up in a video on this channel actually. So if you want to see what I'm 3D printing, if you are intrigued at all, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. But here's the shirt. Now it looks a lot better. I'm very happy with that, and I assume my kids are going to be happy with that. So thank you for watching. Again, if you want to grab this design, it was made by Sarah Hurley, and I will add links to that in this video description.